It's Kevin here at EyouAgro, bridging farming needs with top-tier netting solutions. Recently, one of our customers asked an interesting question, and I thought it would be helpful to share it with all of you. The question was, does packing and transport affect the performance of Aluminet shade cloth? I'm happy to say that packing and transport have no impact on the use and shading effectiveness of our Aluminet shade cloth. Here's why. After production, our Aluminet shade cloth undergoes a process called heat setting. This step ensures that the foil strips are properly crimped and stabilized. The heat setting prevents the foil strips from flipping during use, which could otherwise reduce the shading rate. Because of this heat setting, folding and packaging the Aluminet shade cloth after use does not affect its performance at all. You can be confident that the shading efficiency and usability remain intact, no matter how it's packed or transported. If you have had similar concerns about the impact of packing and transport on your Aluminet shade cloth, I hope this explanation helps clarify things for you. Our goal at EyouAgro is to ensure that you get the best performance from our products, regardless of how they are handled. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.